There is a table. This is a table. Here, how different ions are formed has been shown. You look at the table. Potassium. Name of the element is potassium. Its symbol is K. Kalium. This is magnesium. This is zinc, lead, etc. And these are metals. Up to aluminium, these are all metals. They have a tendency to release electrons, one or more electrons. And after releasing the electron, their positively charged protons remain in higher number in comparison to the negatively charged electrons. অর্থাৎ প্রোটনে পজিটিভ চার্জ থাকে আর সমান সংখ্যার ইলেকট্রন থাকে পরমাণুর মধ্যে। যখন ইলেকট্রনটা ছেড়ে দিচ্ছে তখন তুলনায় প্রোটনের পজিটিভ আধানটা বেশি হয়ে যাচ্ছে। তাহলে পটাশিয়াম when releases one electron it becomes K plus, that means potassium ion. Symbol and name of the cation, this is a cation. If it is a positive ion, it's called a cation. Now in case of magnesium, it releases 2 electrons from its outermost cells, outermost orbit, and after releasing 2 electrons it becomes Mg2+. Here also zinc, it also releases 2 electrons, and lead and lead, these 2 elements release 2 electrons each, and it is Pb plus and it will be Zn2 plus. It is Pb2 plus, it will also be Zn2 plus. Hope you have understood. Now in the fifth case, aluminium. It releases 3 electrons of its outermost orbit, and when it releases 3 electrons it becomes Al3+, কারণ তখন proton change হবে না, number of protons is characteristic of an atom. একটা অ্যাটম, আমি কথাই বলছি, ধরো হাইড্রোজেনের ভিতরে একটা মাত্র প্রোটন আছে, আর হিলিয়ামের মধ্যে কটা আছে? 2টো। তাহলে হাইড্রোজেনের যে নিউক্লিয়াসটা তার মধ্যে একটা প্রোটন আছে। ওখানে যদি আর একটা প্রোটন কোনো ক্রমে ঢুকিয়ে দেওয়া যায় তাহলে ওটার চরিত্র বদলে যাবে, তখন ওটার হাইড্রোজেন থাকবে না, হিলিয়াম হয়ে যাবে। অর্থাৎ কোনো অ্যাটম সেটা তার কী বৈশিষ্ট্য হবে, কী চরিত্র হবে, নির্ভর করছে তার পরমাণু ক্রমাঙ্ক বা অ্যাটমিক নাম্বারের উপর, অর্থাৎ the number of protons. As the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons in an atom, so you can call the number of protons as the atomic number, or also the number of electrons as the atomic number. But we prefer to call the number of protons as the atomic number because electrons have the tendency to leave the outermost orbit, and therefore sometimes electrons, the number of electrons in an atom is changed. When changed, it becomes an ion. Aluminium, it releases 3 electrons and it becomes Al3+. Then what will happen in case of fluorine? Fluorine is not a metal, non-metal. Fluorine, oxygen, sulfur and bromine, these are all non-metals, adhatu. and symbols of these elements are F, O, S and Br. And here, in case of metals, they released electrons, but in case of non-metals, they accepted those electrons. Fluorine can accept 1 electron, oxygen 2 electrons, sulfur 2 electrons, bromine 1 electron, and after accepting 1 electron, it becomes F minus. Then it does not remain electrically neutral. It has 1 negatively charged electron extra. Therefore, it is written as F minus. That means it has 1 electron extra. Then oxide, it accepts 2 electrons. That means it will be written as O2, this like this, O2 minus. And sulfide, in this case, it will be written as S2 minus. And bromine, here it accepts 1 electron, so it will be written as Br minus. That means electrons are released by the metals and accepted by the non-metals. In their solid states or in solutions, ionic compounds consist of their cations and anions. Any compound is comprised of anions and cations. In case of sodium chloride,